Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making mashed potatoes. It's pretty simple to make with a few ingredients. The potatoes are an amazing side dish with roast turkey and gravy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Now let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients. Clean the potatoes. Use the vegetable peeler to remove the skin. Cut the potatoes into small cubes. Make sure the potato cubes are relatively the same size so they get cooked evenly. Add potatoes into a pot filled with water. Add half a tablespoon of salt to it. Give it a mix. Boil the potatoes on medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. Cook the potatoes until extremely tender. This took about 20 minutes for me, but of course it depends upon the size of your potatoes. I've drained the water using a colander. Now let's mash the potatoes using a potato masher. In this stage, do not add any butter or milk, just break them all up. Let's season this with some salt. Some black pepper powder. Just a little bit of garlic and onion powder. That's quarter teaspoon of garlic powder and quarter teaspoon of onion powder, just for the flavor. Combine all the ingredients together. Give it a nice mix to get that smooth consistency. Adding half a cup of milk. Make sure you have warmed up your milk. Never use cold milk as this will change the consistency of the potato. Adding 150 grams of butter. It should be at room temperature. It's a good mix. The potato should be silky, smooth and creamy. In this stage, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Quarter cup of grated Parmigiano cheese. Combine all of this together. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Creamy and fluffy mashed potato is ready to be served. This is perfect. In this stage, check for some seasoning. Let's transfer this to a serving bowl. Try this creamy mashed potato and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, share and press the bell button. Click on the left to check my previous video, on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy baking!